Hi guys, I'm Komal Porasha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my most two favorite smoothie bowls and let's begin. I'm gonna start first with strawberry yogurt. You can add any milk of your choice instead of this. After this, I am going to add frozen bananas. So with frozen bananas, what happens is the smoothie tends to have a thicker texture. So I always prefer that better. I've added some strawberries and I'm gonna blitz it. And now topping it up with some favorite fruits. Over here I've added some strawberries. And after this you can add anything. Over here I've added my granolas. And to beautify it, I've just added some flowers and we're ready to go. And our strawberry banana smoothie is ready. A perfect meal to have on the go, and it provides all the essential nutrients, minerals and all the proteins. Moving on to the next one, which is my most favorite, tropical mango banana smoothie. First in goes frozen bananas, adding some mangoes, and then I'm going to add yogurt. So first I'm going to start with kiwi. You can add any seasonal fruit of your choice. And then my all-time favorite, strawberries. And my granolas. So you can definitely add pumpkin seeds or melon seeds, anything, but I like my smoothie bowls simple and full of fruits. So do try this out, guys. I hope you enjoyed my short and a quick video. This was in fact a super highly requested video. So I hope you liked this one, and if you did, you know the drill to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.